Hello, in this video I will talk about hierarchical relationship in Clip Studio Paint and how you can use it. This is a new feature from Clip Studio Paint ver 2.2. It's really exciting because now you can move multiple objects at the same time. They are linked to each other, which was not possible before. This greatly facilitates our artistic work and makes using the program easier. We can move the character and the head at the same time, and I will tell you how to do it now. First, let's learn how to load your character head into Clip Studio Paint. I made this head using Blender. After sculpting it, UV unwrapping it, creating and saving textures, it's time to export the head. So select the head, go to File, Export, and gLTF. In the Include, click Selected Objects. Now export. Open Clip Studio Paint, go to File, New, Customize Project, and click OK. Next, go to File, Import, 3D Data. Select File with your head and open. Simply click on a bug icon or go to Window, Subtool Detail, Object, and Register Material. Choose Save Location and click OK. Now your head is ready to use. Click on File, New, Customize Project, click OK. In the Materials menu, find 3D, Body Type. Select Body Type, hold and move it to Layer. Go to 3D Materials again and find the head in a folder where you placed it before. Move it into the canvas, place it with character body in perfect position. Simply click on branch icon or go to Window, Subtool Detail, Object List. Find names of objects in your scene. Select Head, hold and drag it on the name of main object, character body. Keep name of the head selected and in the attachment point, choose object original point as head. If necessary, correct the location of the head. Yes, we did it. And what do we see? The head moves with the character. This is a big positive breakthrough in the program features. You can even use hat, sunglasses, jewelry, anything, and in a few clicks combine it. So, it's time to try out these new features for yourself. Subscribe to the channel and like. Good luck!